Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I had gotten a couple requests of people asking if I could do just like a basic overview of the Mac and, just the way to work some of the things. And so I'm going to do just a real general overview for anyone who maybe is switching over from a PC and doesn't know anything about a Mac. And that was me not too long ago. So I'm just going to let you guys know a little bit about what's going on. The first thing that you see up here is it says QuickTime. Now the reason that right here QuickTime is there because that is what I'm using to record right now. And you can see audio recording is right here, and anything that you have open, this is going to change to whatever that program is. So now to get rid of that, and you just click on the background here, then it's going to automatically go to Finder. And in the Finder is where you can go to your documents, your downloads, your applications, pretty much anything that you have saved on your computer you can find right here in this Finder. So that is kind of your default whenever you click on the background off a program. If you want to figure out how to get information about your Mac or how to shut it down or what all that stuff, you click on the Apple and it lets you know about this Mac. You can go to your system preferences, the App Store. You can also restart, sleep, and shut down. So that's your kind of home base there. Down here you can see system preferences, and that is like your general stuff that, obviously I set it to purple because I'm girly like that. You can go to your desktop, your screensaver. It's very, very simple to do that, and right now I have Yosemite, but it's a simple click of a button and it just changes to whatever background you want. So I do change my backgrounds quite a bit just because it's so easy. There's an elephant, but we won't keep that one. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on, I don't know, this one's fine for right now. And so you can see up here, now that I have the system preferences open right here, up here in the corner, system preferences is there. When I click on the background, it goes back to Finder. I wanted to show you guys how easy it was to move stuff around, and so I have two folders that are open here, and you can see you can change the size and shape of the folders really, really easy. And let's say that I just want to move this over here. That's literally all you have to do. If I want to move it back, it's that simple, and that's it. You can see over here, you've got all this stuff. You can also color coordinate your things, which I have not done just because I don't see the need in doing that, but you can do it and it's kind of cool. And then when you click the color, whatever comes up that you have under that color. Your calendar down here, it shows the date, so you can see this is January 4th, which is awesome. I don't know why, that's just one of the little things about this that I love. Some phones or computers, if they have a calendar, it shows just one date all the time, and this one actually changes every day. When you open up your calendar, you can sync your Facebook events, birthdays, your Google stuff, pretty much anything you can sync to this calendar, so it's awesome. Your App Store pops up. You can do whatever on your App Store. It's just like if you have a phone, like you either have Google Play or you have the Apple or the iPhone Apple Store. So it's the same thing, just on your Mac. And this right here is your mail. I actually have two different emails set up to this, and I have it to where they push automatically. So pretty much the instant that I get an email, it pops up. And I know this because sometimes I email myself things like from my phone to my email, and it literally comes up, the second that it sends. So that's awesome. I'm not going to open up stuff that has my personal stuff on it though. So the next thing here is Launchpad. This is where all your applications are. So, whoops. And you just kind of scroll back and forth to be able to see them all. And then when you want to close it, you just click off of it and it just closes. If you actually want to delete an app, now this is a little bit different. If you want to delete an app or a program, then you need to go into your Finder, go to your applications, and then delete the program from there. So all you have to do is drag it over here into the trash and it deletes. It's so super simple, especially compared to Windows 8, which I still use sometimes on my work computer, and I just feel like I have to jump through hoops in order to get an application uninstalled or a program uninstalled. So the ease with this is just awesome. Let me see if there's anything else down here that's worth mentioning. I don't think there is much else. Over here in this top right corner, you see this button, and this is for notifications, and you can have like a notification thing that pops up. And this isn't even where I am, but you can set the weather for wherever. It tells you the date, what the weather is, and you can set this for different cities or towns or whatever. And you can actually do a lot more with this notification. You can have your Facebook comments, messages pop up on there. You can have your emails pop up on there. Anything. I just don't have it because it gets on my nerves, but you can totally do that. This search, you can just search anything on your computer. This is obviously your battery. This is your internet connection. This little thing right here is my Dropbox, and I use Dropbox like for everything. I absolutely love it. And this is my Creative Cloud thing, and I do photography, so I've got like Lightroom and Photoshop and all that stuff, and that's what those things are. Oh, one other thing that's really cool. This is like the messages down here, and you can sync your phone with these messages. And I'm not going to open it because obviously I'll be able to read all my messages, but you can send it. It used to be iMessage, and then with this new iOS update, the Yosemite update that came out not too long ago, changed it, and now you can message anybody, not just people with iPhones. And I just thought that was so awesome. So I literally do my messaging almost like when I have my computer, I will message 100% on my phone. I mean, I'm sorry, on my computer instead of my phone, because it's just so great. I'm trying to think. Oh, also with the new Yosemite update, you can answer calls and also FaceTime right on your computer. Now, granted, if you don't have, earphones with the microphone plugged up, then everybody's going to hear a conversation. But if you're by yourself, it's totally awesome. The FaceTime is really cool. So I think that's about it. The little things I have down here, not everyone will have. Like, I've got Lightroom. QuickTime is open. That does come pre-installed. And that is actually how I'm recording right now. So you can see over here I've got the audio, and this thing up here shows that my screen is recording. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into iMovie later, and I'm going to put the screen recording and the audio recording together, so it'll be one video, and then I'll have it on YouTube. So that's kind of how I'm doing this. And I think that's it. Anything you want to move to the trash, you just drag and move over to the trash, or you can right click and move to the trash. And I think that's about all. So thank you guys for watching. If you have anything in particular that you want me to talk about, just let me know. Thanks.